Hi, my name is Soina and today is my wedding day and I am so happy, so excited, but again nervous because it's been a journey. And to my friends and family, I just want to appreciate you. I want to say thank you for your support, for your help, for your encouragement since day one, since we started planning this wedding up to now. You've been there. And to my lovely husband Musa, I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I'm just so happy that I'm doing life with you. Till death do us apart. It's really, I'm feeling so happy to just get the feeling of me spending my life with you. I love you so much.
Hello, how you doing? My angel, my one and only, the only one that I'm missing. Way to give me joy and blessings. You know that I love you, and I can't wait to say I do. But before we walk down the aisle, I just wanna let you know that you're the finest. Girl, you'll be the finest I've ever seen. You're the brightest. The way you just smile, you did bring like me. You're the highest. When it comes to rating, you're the lead. My princess, my only one love. Girl, I just wanna let you know, no one be like you.
No one
Me, I don't go different places, I've seen many faces. No one be like you.
Nescalito on the
Baby,
beat.
calm down, calm down. Girl, this your body put in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Girl, you're sweet like Fanta, Fanta. If I tell you, say I love you, you know day for me younger, oh younger. No, tell me no, 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 whoa, 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 oh, 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 oh. Baby, come give me your la, 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 oh, 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 oh. You got me like whoa, 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 whoa. Shawty, come give me your la, 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 oh, 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 oh. I see this fine girl from my party, she wear yellow. Every other girl they do too much, but this girl mellow. Now in my different situation, I go use talk, tell them hello. Finally I find way to talk to the girl, but she no one follow. Where you come the from for one? Why you no one come from one? Then I start to feel a bum bum one.
My name is Musa. Today is my wedding day. I'm expecting all of you to turn up in big numbers to witness my day at Olel Topes picnic site. And to my wife to be Soina, I love you so much. I can't wait to exchange vows with you today. Adi ganyo roleng and na my demand na kagira nyo no longole. Enchibag noro. Thank you, Shia.
shite bakitwa yandama ana maremina itigata kore tana uchusimu aho nakusingolyo tegai si anajari kinodolino na gasibaye kasabisho
Mila irugurugoro sirara lengai ane ndoki sinyati ngiama mila nyuru mila yanyit tenkata emoyian tenkata osina o tenkata enchipai toonkolong'i pookin inchu naa teneina tejo meeta enkai naidimi
meeta enkai naidimi
mtu ataituri nyaji
saa tena gongo nyaki wake morendito tena yina Soina ke bari ala musur munya ya la kali sama
This is DJ Lems Nunggu sentana babe yari Selaranga yai narubili Oke gimatam Babe kai gimo jigil pete Namu jente sheba jareta Sebata leta ngari mboita Rosholai tinye ko karibu Sebata maisi cheto nubu DJ Lems Kenya.
Liza King Doni guna ye Gamba gini be yaya Yo di be ngubana Abali ni tamara Najinge misi Karina roka kaunti Dikinda shambuma Yala shumbalu mje Biyaji munde shiro Saudi bile tifa Biyeli shogl barnon Rolling we simbaringo Kita manana ndege Karana duambaringo Yasha muneli shogi Jamusi yang almuran Yoy bungai del muran Saningo Balgo juga ambaringo
This is DJ Lems Kenya.
My name is Musa Kimer. The day was very successful. I'm very happy about it. I'm so happy about this day, and I'm very happy for Soina. I waited to exchange vows with you, and God has made it. Thank you for you, and I love you so much. Thank you.
My name is Soina, and the day has been really nice. It turned out more better than expected. From the decor, from everything, the food, the music, everything was good. The MC, the DJ was perfect. So I just want to say thank you for everything and for all those who supported us, and we thank God. And yeah, I'm so happy also. I'm so happy to have Musa in my life. He has been everything I ever wished for. So I can